I'm gonna do a quick review on Fresh Runs seasonings. You get these at Big Lot. What are you doing? Rosie, you're a mess. Give them to me. Hey, give those to me. Alright. You get these at Big Lots. I bought them probably about a month ago. You get Cajun spicer, Italian seasoning. I had a French fry seasoning, but we've used that up. Next time I go Big Lots, I need to pick up another bottle of it. They're pretty good little seasonings. I can't remember right offhand how much I paid for them. Rosie, you need to stay out of them. Stay out of them, young lady. Stay out of them. I can't remember how much I paid for them. Like I said, I bought them about a month ago. Get 1 ounce with Italian seasoning. And it looks like 5 ounces of the Cajun seasoning. Like I said, I got a French fry seasoning when I got these a couple weeks ago. But we've used it up. I got to pick up some more of it. Here's some other seasonings that goes with this. Also, different kinds of seasoning. You can get them at, like I said, you can get them at Big Lots. The Big Lots not too far from us. We shop here occasionally. Girl. Rosie, stop. A pretty good little seasoning. It's Fresh Runs seasonings. You can find them at Big Lots stores.